Our team works really hard to go that extra distance and give everyone an experience they'll want to share. We're so thankful for this great review that makes all of our efforts worthwhile.
We can't thank Chuck enough for his honesty and integrity. We called this company after being told replacement was our only option by another contractor. Chuck is extremely knowledgeable, quick, and efficient. He was very respectful and explained everything thoroughly. A very courteous woman in their office made this whole experience anxiety-free and well worth it. The text for appointment arrival times were very appreciated. We will be calling them again. Thank you for a job well done.
So the only real question you have to ask yourself is, what are you waiting for? Come by and experience our impeccable service today. Call the number on your screen or visit us online. We look forward to working with you. Thanks for watching.